அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Greetings to all of you. Welcome you all to Vision Agri Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about various ministries in India concerning agriculture sciences. Before entering to the topic, I would like to say something with you all. If you have knowledge, let others light their candles in it. With these beautiful words from Margaret Fuller, I am glad that I am here to share some of the information that I have learned with you all. Hope this information will be useful for improving your knowledge concerning agriculture sciences. First, let me introduce myself. I am S. Thangavel, doing my PhD in Agriculture Entomology at Anand Agriculture University, Anand, Gujarat. Today our topic is Ministries in India pertaining to agriculture, part 1. Let me tell brief introduction about ministries and how many ministries are there in India and what are the ministries which is pertaining to agriculture. In Government of India consists of various ministries and department. Under that ministries, many affects institution will be there. Attached office, subordinate office will be there. During 15 August 1947, the number of ministries at the center was 18. Now, totally there are 51 ministries in India. Among 51, some of the important agriculture sciences related ministries will discuss in this video. First and foremost ministry is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Under this ministry, there are two departments. One is Department of Agriculture Research and Education. Second one is Department of Agriculture Cooperation and Farmers Welfare. Under this ministry, there are many institutes are there. Let me discuss one by one. Central Fertilizer Quality Control and Training Institute, which was established in the year 1982 to 83, located at Faridabad, Haryana. Then National Seed Research and Training Institute, which was established in the year 2005, located at Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Then Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices, CACB, which was established in the year 1965 and it is located at New Delhi. Coconut Development Board, which was established during 1981 and located at Cochin, Kerala. Then Indian Council of Agriculture Research, which was established in the year 1929, located at New Delhi. Then National Commission on Farmers, which was established during 2004. Next, National Horticulture Mission, which was established in the year 2005 to 6. Next, National Horticulture Board, which was established in the year 1984, located at Gurgaon, Haryana. Next, National Bee Board, which was established in the year 2006 and it is located at New Delhi. Next, National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited, shortly named as NAFED, which was established in the year 1958 and it is located at New Delhi. Next, National Seeds Corporation Limited, shortly named as NSC, which was established in the year 1963 and located at New Delhi. Next, Directorate of Plant Production, Quarantine and Storage, which was established in the year 1946 and is located at Faridabad, Haryana. Next, Central Insecticide Board and Registration Committee, which was established during 1970. Next, National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management, shortly named as MANAGE, which was established during 1987 and it is located at Hyderabad, Telangana. Next, National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, shortly named as NIAM, which was established in the year 1988 and it is located at Jaipur, Rajasthan. National Institute of Plant Health Management, which was established in the year 1966 and located at Hyderabad, Telangana. Next, Directorate of Arecanut and Spices Development, which was established in the year 1966, Calicut, Kerala. Next, Directorate of Cashew Nut and Cocoa Development, which was established in the year 1966 and it is located at Cochin, Kerala. And second ministry is Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer. Under this ministries, there are only one important cooperative society which is present. The name is Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, which was established in the year 1967 and it is located at New Delhi. Okay friends, today we have discussed about various ministries in India. I will be grateful to you if you could comment your valuable queries and comments regarding this topic. Thank you friends. We will see next some of the important ministries in part 2 video. Thank you. Please subscribe Vision Agri YouTube channel and get further update related to agriculture exams. Thank you all.